Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch between Gemini and Google Assistant on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings. This is where all your device configurations live, and it's your gateway to customizing how your phone works. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice a search bar right at the top of the screen. This search feature makes it incredibly easy to find specific settings without having to scroll through multiple menus. Go ahead and tap on that search bar to activate it. Now, in the search bar, simply type in Gemini and let your phone do the work for you. The search function will quickly filter through all available settings and bring up relevant results related to Gemini. From the search results that appear, tap on Gemini settings to access the specific configuration options for Google's Gemini Assistant. This takes you directly to the control panel where you can manage everything related to Gemini on your device. Next, you'll need to scroll down through the Gemini settings page. As you scroll, look for an option labeled Digital Assistance from Google and tap on it when you find it. This section is specifically designed to let you choose which AI assistant you want as your primary helper on your Pixel phone. Now here's where the actual switching happens. On this screen, you'll see two options available to you, Gemini and Google Assistant. Each one represents a different AI assistant experience, with Gemini being Google's newer, more advanced conversational AI, while Google Assistant is the traditional voice assistant you might be more familiar with. Simply click the radio button next to whichever assistant you prefer to use. The radio button makes it clear which option is currently active, and clicking a different one will change your selection. This is where you decide which assistant will respond when you activate voice commands or use assistant features. After you make your selection, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Google's way of making sure you really want to switch assistants, since this change affects how you interact with your phone's AI features. Finally, tap Switch on that confirmation message to complete the process. Your phone will then apply the change, and your chosen assistant will become the default for all assistant-related functions on your device. And that's it. You've successfully switched between Gemini and Google Assistant on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.